Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here. This package was sent by Pete. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find my link for Patreon right down in the description. And please, if you haven't done so already, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and get into this box here. This side. There we go. The scalpel was made by a viewer and was voted to be the dedicated unboxing tool on this channel. Oh boy, look at this box. This is an old ZT box. I know what this is. This is actually the first time I've ever handled it. Hang on, there's a note in here. Here we go. My kids, 12, 9, and 5, and I really enjoy this. That's not his kids' names. The ages. They all really enjoy your channel and watching your videos. Keep up the great work. My kids are excited to see one of Dad's knives on your channel. Here's to a great 2021 and more great videos. Thank you. What a perfect note. And his information there. I love that. If you send me a knife, send me your information so I can get it back to you. It's just perfect. So what do we have here? Old school ZT. Old school, man. Oh, look at this hunk of steel. Hang on here. Let's turn this up. Oh boy. Yeah, I'd love to say this is still around, guys, but it's not. This is the 0200. And then ST. Let's guess it's serrated, something or other. Yeah, the 0200. Am I right in thinking, yeah, Ken Onion. Oh boy, this is a big beefy boy from the past. Yeah, I like to return to the past. I like to talk about knives that, you know, in some cases aren't around anymore. But ZT is one of the, just so you guys know, my stance on ZT, I am interested to see other things that they come out with in the future. They're trying to cater to a lot of different types of people. The 0308 is proof that they have not forgotten about the crowd that enjoys an overbuilt, more robust folder, right? But it is, I think for me, it's more fun to return to the past with ZT than any other company because of some of the iconic knives that existed back in, oh boy, this would have been 2012, 2000, something like that. Yeah. So this is a, I'm going to guess that's a steel liner lock there. Remember, 2012, guys. Yeah. Steel and G10, excuse me. And then the blade, oh man, I honestly don't know what the blade steel is on this. Is it S30V or is it LMAX? I think those were the ones that, you know, people, or that, I think those were blade steels that ZT was using back then. In any case, this isn't a review, this is an unboxing. It's the very first time I've handled this knife, right? Those of you seeking additional information on this right now, you'll get a full comprehensive review on this channel in a few weeks. But I just wanted to give my first impressions. We have that old school sort of nut pivot that ZT used to use. And hex on the other side, so it is captive. Big oversized fasteners, standoff, sort of alligator skin texturing. Yeah, this is absolutely old school ZT. Big robust blade. This guy's still locking up. Obviously this is a user too. I mean, there's no question. Look at this blade, right? Still locking up solid and still locking up plenty early. So yeah, I mean, these knives definitely lasted. This is an interesting knife. Absolutely, like, mega Z. This is what I remember from ZT. This guy's heavy too. Let me weigh it. Big, chunky boy. Oh, gee. 8 ounces. Man, I love these big, robust knives. I mean, this is thick. The scales are contoured. Feels good though. I mean, no lock rock in it for a knife that's obviously been used. No lock. No, it's absolutely solid. Absolutely. That's cool, man. Oh, the O200. That's cool. I have this goal of like slowly filling up my playlist with certain brands with knives that were really prominent at one point. So there's a lot of models from ZT that are just not forgotten. They're just a product of the past and still very popular. I'd very much like to slowly fill those in on a playlist for anybody who's interested, just for fun. I mean, it is frustrating when you can't get these, right? When I show knives that you can't get, part of the reason why I do 14 uploads a week is to make sure that people always have a healthy dose of content surrounding knives that you can get, and then just fun and entertaining videos about knives from the past that are just fun to talk about, right? So yeah, I mean, you can still dig one of these up on the secondary market. If it's been used, it might be a semi-reasonable price. You want one that's mint, you're definitely going to have to overpay for it. That's how it is, right? That's the knife world. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely interesting. It's fun. The box, man. The box hasn't looked like this for a long time. Very cool. All right. So anyways, Pete, thank you so much for sending this in. This will be a fun one to take a look at down the road. And it'll be less of a review and more of just a conversation video. That's more what it'll be. It's pointless to review something that is almost impossible to get unless you want to hunt it down on the secondary market. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo and subscribe right there, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.